Hi everyone and welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. Today we're diving into another quick and gorgeous tutorial, this time how to paint leaves. You can find links to purchase all the products used in this video in the description, available at nailnails.com. So let's get started. So to begin, I'm using a stunning green shade called Clover Field. I absolutely love this colour and trust me, you'll want it in your collection. Just look at how opaque and vibrant it is, it's perfect for this design. So after applying and curing two thin layers, I'm wiping off the tacky layer with a lint-free wipe to prepare the nail for foils. So for the background, I'm using foil glue and adding a touch of white to make it easier to see the design. So with an ombre brush, I create abstract leaf-like patterns, adding texture and detail, and once cured, I press a gorgeous green foil onto the design, which transfers perfectly to create a shimmering textured effect. Next, I grab my go-to brush, the 0003 detail brush, and some serious black gel polish to hand paint delicate leaves. So start with a fine line for the stem and then press and release the brush to create elegant leaf shapes. Repeat this across the nail, adding more leaves for a fuller look. Once cured, it's time to seal the design with the Urban Graffiti top coat. This step really brings the foil and details to life, making everything pop with colour and shine. And there you have it, a stunning textured leaf design that's perfect for any season. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tutorials. Head to nailnails.com for all the products featured in this video. Take care and see you in the next one.